Let's show them the calendar, guys. Beautiful pictures of Rex and Sammie all over. And the calendar, of course. Hey, who's that? That's you, Sam. Ah, Sammie. You can't. Now we can't sell that calendar. Look at him. He's chewing the calendars. You gangsters. Anyway, here's the calendar. Buy it on boxerrex.com/shop before this guy eats them all. You gangster. And Rex approves this message, right? Order the calendars at boxerrex.com/shop and you'll get your calendar, right, Sammie? Hurry before Sammie eats all of them. What? Me? What are you talking about? I'm not chewing calendars. No, not me.